Hi guys, in this session let us see NetBeans installation. We use NetBeans for Internet Programming Lab because it is an IDE, that is programming environment integrated into a software application that provides a guide builder, a text or a code editor, and a compiler or an integrator and a developer. Unlike olden days where one had to write the source code in text pad or a notepad and save using .java, .c, .cpp, .html depending upon the language, then compile using the compiler and load, link and whatnot. And IDE get rid of all such jugglery, which reduces the learning of a newbie programmer, and also it eases the task, and it is primarily intended for developing the Java application. Also supports the other language in particular like PHP, C, C++, HTML, and HTML5. However, you need JDK installed on your machine as NetBeans needs Java to run. NetBeans definitely help you to be productive according to what you use like PHP, HTML and JavaScript. Here I am using JDK 8U NetBeans 8.2 version. Download link is given in description link. When you download from the link, you get JDK and NetBeans bundle. Also, we no need to set path variable for JDK. It will set the path location by default. Some facilities will not be available after basic installation like PHP, Java, Web, HTML file. To rectify this, go to Tools, click Plugins. In available plugins, you have to check Java EE base and then click Install. I have already installed, so it is showing in Install tab. Java EE base. You have to check this from available plugins and then you have to click Install. Similarly, for running servlet program, we need to install Tomcat server or XAMPP server. So go to Tools and select Server, and you can add servers. So we will see this installation in future video. Thanks for watching.